Hi everybody, this is Tyler Dockery and I want to welcome you to GRD241 Graphic Design III. In this class you will find yourself ratcheting up and stepping up from Graphic Design 2. Just like Graphic Design 1 taught you your basics, Graphic Design 2 allowed you to work with other people, focus on strong concepts in the graphic design method. Graphic Design 3 is about preparing you for portfolio. We will be having video classes which are mandatory. You must attend or you will be dropped. Period. Important notes we'll cover in class, specifically that Photoshop is only offered in the spring, so if you don't take graphic design now, you're either going to have to wait an entire year to graduate, or you will have to be working so hard while you're making your portfolio that you will regret it. We'll be focusing on strong critique, excellent concept work, sketching, communications, and presentations. This is your chance to really pull out all the stops. If you have questions, reach out to me. Dogs. If you have a question, reach out to me. My information's in the faculty information tab on the left. Look forward to seeing your work.